Good morning, guys. It's David from Trade Support Group. We're going to do a different strategy today. If you saw the video from yesterday, you can still see the chart up. We were using a 200-day moving average and a simple RSI scalp strategy. I find it very, very helpful, very useful. Hopefully you guys did too. Let's give you a quick recap of what happened yesterday. Now, keep in mind, not every trade is always going to be a winner, but yesterday we actually did very well. No losing trades. We have Euro Canadian dollar, which we started the entire video off with yesterday, made a $36 profit. We have GBP USD, $66 profit. Selling the Euro Canadian again for 46 in profit, 55 in profit, 59 in profit, 100 in profit for a sell on the pound against the Aussie, and we've got a sell on the Euro Singaporean dollar to close the day, and that was a $165 profit. So in total, we have here $536 we made yesterday. So it's a very good start to the week. Today we're going to try a different strategy. I'll update you on the next video as soon as we have it up. Look forward to helping you guys out. Come check us out, tradesupportgroup.com. If you are watching this on YouTube, click the subscribe button, like the video, get it out there so everyone can get informed. Thanks, guys.